Hey there, military enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the future of the AH-64E Apache, also known as the Guardian, and what we can expect from it in the battlefields of 2026. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exhilarating ride through cutting-edge tech and tactical advancements. The AH-64E Apache is already a formidable piece of machinery, but with future warfare evolving rapidly, this beast is set to become even more lethal and adaptable. One of the most significant advancements we're looking at is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI will enhance target acquisition, threat detection, and overall situational awareness. Imagine an Apache that can autonomously identify and prioritize threats, giving pilots a substantial edge in combat. Now let's talk about drone swarming. The future battlefield will see an increased use of unmanned aerial systems working in tandem with manned aircraft. The AH-64E is expected to coordinate with drone swarms for reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct strikes. This synergy between manned and unmanned systems will redefine air combat and provide unmatched versatility. But that's not all. Enhanced communication systems are on the horizon. The AH-64E will feature upgraded data links to share real-time information with ground troops, other aircraft, and command centers. This seamless flow of information will ensure that everyone on the battlefield is on the same page, reacting swiftly to dynamic situations. The Apache's weaponry is also getting a boost. We're talking about advanced munitions with greater precision and lethality. Expect to see new missile systems that can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy from greater distances. This means the Apache can engage enemies effectively while staying out of harm's way. And let's not forget survivability. Future upgrades will focus on enhanced armor and countermeasure systems to protect the Apache against advanced threats. From heat-seeking missiles to radar-guided weapons, the Apache will have cutting-edge defenses to keep it in the fight longer. In a nutshell, the AH-64E Apache in 2026 is set to be a game-changer. With AI integration, drone coordination, advanced communication, upgraded weaponry, and enhanced survivability, it will dominate future battlefields like never before. So stay tuned, because the next chapter for the Apache is going to be one heck of a ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the future of the AH-64E Apache, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more military insights. See you next time.